Squidward. Walks and runs, gets everywhere. Dad?
Hey, wait, Nonnie's gonna do some laps.
Dad could swim.
Yeah.
A few more dog shakes later, and the girls were dry and decent enough to leave the house once more, and not be, how you say, a total embarrassment.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh look, there's another beautiful thing. Oh no, I'm in Luna Park. I'm kidding. Sydney. She on the ground. Oh, now it's my shadow dancing over.
You know, this would look great if it wasn't so
I almost kicked your hand, I'm sorry.
No, you're not close enough to kick me. Don't get close enough to kick me.
I was trying to kick you.
That's what I'm saying. The food is home. Can we go get it?
Is this too close for comfort? Is it? Is it?
No, I'm used to you sticking a phone in my face. Or camera. No, you used to make me cry.
Hey, I didn't used to make you cry. I asked you, do you think you'd be able to cry in a scene? And you, being the brilliant actress you were, could.
No, I couldn't. That's why we had to choose.
You were just trying to make you seem so cool on the camera.
I could do it now. I need the scene from Bridge to Terabithia.
Oh yeah, that gets you every time.
Oh, every time. jetboat?
Yeah. Where are we going now?
We're at the Opera House.
Yeah. Palm trees, Nonnie. How does you feel about them?
It's fine because we're close to a body on the
Watch out that a seagull doesn't steal your chip.
Ready, fight.
It's looking at you. It wants the chip. He's here again, and Nonnie is very scared. Stay away. No. No. He's relentless. Let's move on.
I would love to see a ballet here though.
Oh, that would be amazing.
I imagine they do Nutcracker like every Christmas.
I'd love to see the Nutcracker.
Not that mouse though.
What mouse?
The mouse.
And the one who's got a big brand name? Yes, right, not that one. That's where we're gonna go on. Oh yeah. There you go.
The foot, 2 feet on the footbar down below the chairs, guys, and push back, keep it nice straight back, okay? After the manoeuvre, just turn around, give you a thumbs up.
We will see what this footage looks like.